Hey plant friends, and welcome back to my channel, Planta by Gia. Today I'm taking you to my favorite grocery store in Tulum, Mexico, where we're gonna get all the ingredients to make high protein chilaquiles. Then I'm gonna take you back to my place, we're gonna cook it, and we're gonna enjoy together. So come with me. Oh wait, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you've ever been to Mexico before. Okay, let's go. Well, this spot is closed right now, but this spot has the best coconut water in all of Tulum. I'll definitely be grabbing some tomorrow. So Gypsea Market is one of my favorites because it has all organic, it has gluten-free, lots of vegan products, and also lots of fermented foods too. So it's a great food store here in Tulum. All right, let's go in. So we did walk here, and I love over shopping, so I have to be careful to only get the ingredients that I want here, that I need here, not want, because we're gonna have to carry it home. So I actually brought tofu to Tulum because it's pretty hard to get tofu and tempeh here. So I brought it with me, so I'm gonna get all the other ingredients here and I have the tofu back at the Airbnb. This light isn't on. This is an entire vegan section here. They have all different vegan cheeses. These are the fermented food that I love. Fermented foods are incredible for your gut health. You should be having fermented foods every single day. Yeah, this is a whole vegan section, which is awesome. Sriracha. So we need some tortilla chips. So let's find the tortilla chips. We want healthy, organic ones. Clean ingredients. That's why I like this place actually, because they're all clean ingredients. But look at these. Fresh, you can tell these are made. It's really oh, doesn't have the ingredients here, but this is a really cool area. These are all dried beans, spices. We need some garlic, so I figured it'd be over here. And there it is, it's right here. They have all raw nuts here, cashews, matcha. They put a bunch of seeds, chia seeds, bay leaves, everything. So that is a hard thing about places here, right? These are so fresh, they don't use a lot of preservatives, so they will go bad quickly. So if they don't sell them, unfortunately, I'm just sitting here debating if I should use this or not, because I would love some green in the recipe. What do you guys think? Ooh, and this is all new. This is literally all vegan. They even have vegan ice cream. Do you think it's gonna melt on the way there? Should we chance it? Or we can go out for ice cream. I guess we should go out for ice cream and bring them with us. Okay, we got what we needed. Let's walk back and let's make it because I'm actually really hungry. Hello, Perito. Welcome to my kitchen. Like I said before, we are making high protein plant-based chilaquiles. We have all the ingredients here. This is actually a really special recipe because it comes from my new recipe book, the 20-20-20 Plant-Based Method. It has 20 breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and desserts, all 20 grams of protein or more, all plant-based, in under 20 minutes to make for $20. So if you want to get those recipes help me lose over 60 pounds and keep it off. They're delicious. You got pasta, you got loaded nachos, chilaquiles, you're gonna love it. So click the link down below where you can purchase it. But we're gonna get started and let's make this meal. Our main source of protein is gonna be tofu. Like I said, I brought this with me from America. We ended up getting some vegan mozzarella shreds. You can make this homemade. Sometimes I follow the 80-20 rule. 80% whole foods, 20% you play around with. I just don't have time to make it tonight. So I got some Violife mozzarella shreds. We got some vegetable broth. We got a tomato sauce with chilies, some olive oil, onion, garlic, and then these fresh tortilla chips. It's a very easy recipe. It's gonna take us 20 minutes or less to make. So let's make it. This is a giant onion. Now, I help women lose a lot of weight eating plant-based. Common mistake is not having enough protein when you're eating plant-based, and that's the reason you're having trouble losing weight. Legumes like beans, chickpeas, lentils, those are not your main sources of protein, honey. And nuts and seeds like flaxseed, chia seed, peanuts, things like that, those are sources of fat. So what happens if you're not getting the right amount of protein, making me cry, you're gonna have a hard time losing weight. So I'm gonna get sad if you don't learn how to use the right source of protein when you're eating plant-based. When you do learn it, it's a lot easier to lose weight. I knew one bag would be enough. All right, let's get this cheese nice and melty. Okay, our chilaquiles are done. I made one extra for you. Remember, if you want this recipe, tap the link down below. It's right in the description. It is delicious and I'm so excited to try it. So good.